Oh yes, my friends, Instagram literally just announced that the first part of their monetization feature is being rolled out right now in the US and in Canada. How great is that? So in this video, we're going to talk about what it actually is, how you can set this thing up for yourself, especially if you're a small business that kind of needs some help right now in these times. Plus, we're also going to talk about some other leaks about the second part of the monetization feature, which is, I believe, going to come out within the next couple of weeks as well. Let's say within the next couple of months, which is the IGTV monetization feature. There's been some leaks. So let's get into it. Yeah, my name is Dominic, by the way, but I'll tell you right after the intro one more time. Welcome back, Dominators. Welcome here to this channel. My name's Dominic. First of all, no comments about the hair. What should I do? We can't do anything about the hair right now. So, having that said, we're going to talk about some Instagram updates. And this is, as you can see, a very spontaneous Instagram update because it just happened right now in front of our eyes. Basically, Instagram rolling out their first part of the monetization feature efforts in order to help smaller businesses, for example, out. So let's take a look at the press release right here. First of all, how to support small businesses during some word that we're not allowed to show on YouTube, but you can only guess what this means. Another word that I kind of have to blur out here. Small businesses are an important part of our community and many are facing immense challenges during this crisis, whatever this might be. Could be anything at this point, who knows? Well, today they're making it easier to discover the gift cards, online food orders, and fundraisers on Instagram so you can support the businesses that you love. Very interesting, especially because it's being rolled out right now. And this just goes to show, if you have until now thought about my advice about growing an Instagram with a really sustainable audience, with a real audience, with some fans, they're going to help you through that. They're going to see that, for example, you sign up for a fundraiser or something like this, fundraiser for your own business. People are going to donate for you, I'm just saying that. By the way, if you're looking to jumpstart, to up your Instagram game, I have a program called the Instagram Black File, which is only open until the end of this week. So if you were thinking about getting in, now is the time. If not, chance is going to be gone. But anyway, so what they say is businesses can share new gift card stickers, food order stickers, so food order as well, which is really interesting in my opinion. They can share it on their stories, profiles, stuff like this. You can make the purchase through their partner sites, and you can also create Facebook fundraisers and connect them with your Instagram and create a personal fundraiser. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a second. And basically, they say especially gift cards, food orders are available in the US and Canada today. Like I said, globally, it will roll out in the coming weeks, and the fundraisers will be coming soon. How soon? Who knows? But hopefully very soon. I think within the coming month. So basically, this is how it's going to look like. Apparently, if you add this sticker, this action, what they say, I think there's going to be some sort of pop out. Like if you get to your profile, there's going to be a pop out saying exactly, support this account during. During Christmas season, for example. Now, basically, this is how it's going to look, and you're probably asking yourself, how can I do that? It's hard. What do I do? First of all, most likely, me not being in the US right now, which is kind of a bad thing, but most likely it's being somewhere in your edit profile or in the account section, setting sections within the payment or add action, settings within Instagram. And the fundraisers, you're going to have to set them up on Facebook because our beloved friend Jane Wong, if you forgot about her, she figured out a screen how this is going to look like. First of all, you can add an action button. Yeah, it's probably going to be somewhere in your profile section. You can add a donate button, order food button, like I said. And this is how it's going to look like. Activate your donate button by adding a Facebook fundraising link. So basically you're going to have to go to Facebook first to create this fundraising link. And once it's available on Instagram, it's going to be there. So let me just hop into Facebook right now and show you what's up. So basically on Facebook, if you still have the old Facebook, which I do have, you're going to go to the left side to fundraisers. And there you can kind of say, nonprofit, but no, we want to select raise money for ourselves or for a friend. You know, you can even have your fans ideally creating this fundraiser for you. They say it takes a little bit longer. Of course, I'm gonna have to blur all of these words out apparently. Anyway, so you're gonna have to choose a category. Probably there's gonna be a special category coming out. Who knows? But let's just say, small business, whatever, other. Where are you gonna raise the money? We're gonna basically where your bank is located in order for them to pay it out. You're gonna say we're gonna make a fundraiser for $31 euros. It's gonna go. should we really do that? No, we're not gonna. But until the end of this week, there you go. Hit the next button. Title of the fundraiser, because you have to adhere to the rules, because they're gonna check that beforehand, obviously. So you're gonna say cat is missing. Why are you raising money? I just told you cat is missing. Sad. So you're gonna hit the next button. Oh, it's not enough. Sad. Very sad indeed. Well, this is okay for them. Don't forget to format. You can set a cover photo by basically, and here's the interesting thing, which I actually wanted you to see. You'll receive donations directly, and this money may be taxable. 1.50% plus 30 cents of each donation will cover processing fees. Just be sure about that. And there's some personal fundraiser terms. This is what's going to happen. The fundraiser terms, whatever. I think they're doing it through Stripe. But I don't want to confuse you too much. Now, second thing is the thing that we've actually been talking about a lot lately on this channel, which is the actual monetization thing. Basically, where you can monetize your IGTV videos, kind of like this YouTube thing. And Jane Wong, our special friend, she took her special hacking skills and was coding a lot. And probably shout out to you, Jane Wong. I really appreciate what you do, actually. And basically, she figured out some screenshots what the eligibility things are and how this is going to work in order to monetize your Instagram, which in my opinion is going to happen at least within the coming month. At least that's what I think. So basically they check, obviously it's called IGTV ads. They say you're eligible to monetize your videos. You can earn money by running short ads on your IGTV videos. Again, partner monetization policies. We talked about it. And here's what you're gonna have to do, and this is interesting, and this shows us again how this Instagram platform works, kind of behind the scenes. First of all, you're gonna have to stay up to date on Instagram's community guidelines, because apparently they change all the time. Only share content you created and which you have the rights to use. Obviously, if you are rehashing, a feature page or something like this, probably not gonna work. I know there's some copyright special rules where you can use this if you kind of use it to talk about news or stuff like that. But still, this mainly goes out to original content creators. Another thing that they say, which is also really interesting, is you're going to want to maintain an established presence for your account, whatever that means. Really, whatever that means. I have no idea what that means. Maybe it's just a placeholder, or probably they mean that you're going to want to have a kind of be there, not just create one video and then just leave it at that. If you decide to create IGTV videos to monetize them, pursue this, because maybe this is how they want to keep people on the platform, to keep creating, to get the advertising revenue flowing, actually. Who knows? So don't do this. And they kind of say the same thing again. Don't post content you didn't create or don't have the rights to use. Duh. They also say don't post content that could be considered false, misleading, or overly sensational, which aka clickbait and just stuff like this. And don't share content in ways that compromise quality for viral distribution. And this is another very interesting thing that we see right here, because kind of, if we take a look at TikTok, for example, virality is the main driving factor behind their algorithm and everything, basically, which Instagram with IGTV actually goes totally against it. What does that tell us? Who knows, to be honest. Maybe they actually want to drive quality content there. Maybe they want to try to make this whole thing a lot more sophisticated and actually set this whole thing up to be a real creator platform, because right now it actually is not really, if you ask me, if you compare it to YouTube, for example. So who knows? Don't be the viral clickbaity thing. Apparently they try to become next YouTube or YouTube 2.0. whatever. And then she actually figured out the payout thing. Obviously, you're gonna have to have a business. Apparently, obviously, you can choose whatever you have. It's gonna be interesting because this is mainly talking about United States stuff, but who knows? Basically, this is it. Some short updates. Take a look out right now, especially for the donation button and the food order delivery button and just stuff like this. If you're in the US and Canada, yeah, you might have it right now. So make use of that. And like I said, these things obviously don't help you a lot if you don't really have an audience that's attached to you. You know, if you just have a shell of a following that just follow you because who knows why, they probably don't even know themselves why, it's not going to work. So this is why you really want to build an audience, a sustainable audience of real fans, ideally 1,000 fans. And you don't want to be the person, for example, like the girl with 4 million people who couldn't sell, I don't remember, 12 t-shirts or something like this. You know, you probably want to be the one to have 1,000 followers who are actually standing behind what you do, you know, who are supporting you, especially in these times, you know. And I can see accounts with just 1,000 followers that built a real followership, profiting from this, you know, actually quite a bit, because people are supportive. People still support. They love to support, especially smaller people. So if you're smaller, if you have this feature, definitely make use of that. And ideally, you don't want to just you rely on this feature and also the IGTV feature, monetization feature when it comes out. You know, obviously you can sell your own products, services, stuff like this, you know, just putting that out there. This has always worked. This is how I've made some money in the past. And this is, by the way, one thing that we talk about in my Instagram Black file, which is currently open for registration. Hint, it's not going to be open for a long time. We're going to close this thing down at the end of the week, actually on Friday. Basically, if you were thinking about stepping up your Instagram game, knowing how the Instagram algorithm works, you know, I've done hours of research, testing what's going on, packed it, you know, it's probably 1.5 years worth of research packed into this program on how to grow a real audience. And using the algorithm, mainly giving the algorithm the main the important data points, using what I call the Instagram streamline algorithm formula. So if you were thinking about joining the tribe, which is a great tribe already, click the link down below. We're open until Friday. After that, it's gone. You know, it's not just a marketing trick that I say it's gone, but it's not going to be gone. It actually is going to be gone. You know, just being real with you. Because I want to have the integrity of the program, you know, stay the same, you know, and just be kind of a closely knitted group together, if that makes sense. So yeah, if you were thinking about that, link is in the description. If you don't wanna, or if you don't have the funds for it or whatever, I'm not mad at you. Don't worry about that. My videos obviously are always gonna be free here with at least the same amount of value that you had until now, probably even more, to be honest, because I like you, my friends. So yeah, this was just a very short video. Tomorrow is going to be a profile review. You know, we're going to tune the show. Yeah, I still probably won't have the chance to get to a hairdresser, barbershop, whatever. So, you know, you got to live with that, my friends. Anyway, my name's Dominik. I'll see you in I'll see you tomorrow in the live stuff. Drop your handles down below because I'm going to pick at least one to review before all of the other people live. So, yeah, we're going to hang out. Also, yeah, whatever. Bye-bye. Bye.